And we're back. What's going on, Monopoly family? Welcome back to the channel. It is that time of the month, guys, where we go through our live trade step by step. I know you guys have been requesting for this video every single month, so here it is. Hopefully you get some value and add it to your arsenal. This is going to be a day where it goes down in history because the oil prices have been slashed by 30%, causing a huge sell-off in the stock market. And topping that off, we have the coronavirus fears, which obviously is causing a lot of fear in the stock market, and a lot of sell-offs have been happening. So you guys are witnessing the worst case scenario in the stock market up to date if you're already involved in trading, which is a stock market crash, right? A lot of people ask what happens when the stock market crashes. Well, in this case, we actually profit by shorting stocks, which is what we're going to be doing today. Just reacting to the news, reacting to the overall markets and psychology of investors and what they're thinking. And I want to talk to you about the thinking process behind it. And I'm also going to show you the results of my chat room because we're all going to be thinking the same thing. So guys, let's do it. Let's put the camera down and let's execute the trade. And hopefully you get some values. If you're new to my channel, there's plenty of tutorials that will go into more deep details. I will leave some links for you guys in the comment section or the description. Let's do it. Alright guys, so I'm ready. We've got 10 minutes to go. Now, I've showed you a style of trading where we go through picking up the stocks, and I'm not really going to go through that today, so there'll be plenty of tutorials for that. However, guys, we're simply reacting to what's going on in the market today, which is something that we do anyway, right? When we react to the news, react to earning reports and all these articles, PR releases. Because it either puts hype or fear into investors' hearts, and they either sell off or end up buying stocks, so obviously they cause volatility, and we just react. That's our job, and we form patterns and behaviors according to that. So that's what we're going to do today, guys, is basically find few stocks, and I've actually picked a few stocks that are already kind of being punished, and I want to punish them even more alongside my chat room, which is what you're going to see today. And hopefully everybody gets to do well. Now, here's the time, guys. It's 14:22. That's my time. So, we've got 8 minutes to go. Okay? So, we've got 8 minutes to go, guys. It's 14:22. And the reason why I'm showing you this is because we're doing this live. Alright, guys. So, we're actually going to be short in CCL. I can see here the stock, the price action here, it's giving me a direction of where it wants to go. So that's exactly what I'm going to do, is just follow the price action. However, I need to wait for the small pullback to give me space to profit. So one more and we're entering. There we go. So I just entered 1,000 shares of this stock, guys. Short position. And I want to add a few more here. And you can see it's going in my favor right now. We're about $8 or now 87. So it's very fast, it's very volatile. However, you gotta be understanding and confident in what you know. So I'll be ready to close the position once I see some profits. I can see the stock here showing one direction only, and that's downwards. Here's the chat room. Well done. Well done. So far so good with the guys, and here the position is open, $44, which is nothing really, but it's only 3 minutes in. I don't expect much from this trade today because most stocks are oversold anyway, so you got to be careful with that when trading. However, today we'll be making a new low, especially with this stock that I've chosen, because this is directly impacted by the coronavirus. And obviously when there is external events that occur, you're going to be aware of them when trading, and just understand the psychology behind traders and investors. So at the moment there's something going on in the market. I believe there's a pullback happening, which we've been getting caught out lately in. So it's just taking us a little bit of time to kind of exit positions. But I entered at a good place. What happened here? Whoa! What? So what just happened here, guys? The stock market, they halted it, right? To stop the shorts from occurring, to stop the sell-offs. Here's the news. So 7, yeah, it's collapsing. This is not gonna make a difference, right? When the stock market opens, our positions are gonna go right in, and we're gonna be, because that's causing a lot of uncertainty with the investors anyway, and that's exactly what we're gonna do. We're continuing with the short. I'm that stubborn. I'm holding on. So we're gonna wait for 15 minutes, guys. I have to pause this. You guys are witnessing this firsthand. This never happens, guys, but because the stock market is crashing, they're trying to stop it from crashing. I can't believe this, guys. I can't believe this. We're in the green now. I added more shorts. There's gonna be another halt soon on this, so I better take the profit and walk away. Some of you here are doing well. So I'm gonna close this position here, and maybe now look, it's finding support here. So I'm gonna enter once again once it pulls back, because now we just made $400, guys. But I want to short once again. Altogether, 580. So green out, CCL. Stressful. And it was a stressful day, guys, but we witnessed something here that not many people witness in a lifetime. So here we are, guys, with our green. We walked away, and now the results are coming because we took our 20-30 cents calculated and we walked away. Well done, guys. Well done to everybody. We just witnessed something that we don't witness that often, but hopefully you guys enjoyed this. This one has been a stressful day. It's literally now 30 minutes into stock market opening, and yeah, some of you guys would have made some bank today because there's a huge sell-off happening. Others would have probably stayed out, which is also endorsable because no trade is a good trade. All right, so we're done here with that trade. A lot of you guys have witnessed something I haven't witnessed before, so we witnessed this together live, and I wasn't aware of the halt that was gonna happen, but well done, guys, to everybody. All right, guys, so that trade lasted us 30 minutes. Usually it lasts only 5-10 minutes, but some trades last longer than others depending on the market conditions. But if you actually want to learn to trade, then going into the deep end, which is where you are right now, you just experienced the worst case scenario right now, guys. Market crash. I know for investors, for swing traders, this is a great opportunity to position trade, and position trade means that you're basically saying to yourself, most stocks are undervalued. And again, what you see happening right now is all speculation on the future and what's going to happen in the future. So there isn't any specific figures coming out, but obviously with shutdown of economies or shutdown of governments and cities, the economy slows down. So this one actually makes sense in a way. So again, guys, this is you don't have a book for this, right? You don't have a book for this. You just need to understand psychology and all the other things and the news, etc., etc. Your indicators wouldn't have worked today. No indicator in the world would have told you what was going to happen. So this was based on basically understanding behaviors of the market, speculation, well, not speculation, but understanding the psychology of traders and investors, and also the external environment and the news. So guys, if you want to learn more, if you want to join the chat room, the course is there, which also comes with the chat room. We'll teach you step by step, and also the psychology behind it and the patterns that we're using here. And also, guys, if you're a beginner, managing risk and understanding how much you need, and I think that's a big question, you know, understanding the risk before you enter a trade is very crucial, and a lot of people don't know how to calculate it. So one of my guys developed an app. It's free. You guys can use it. It's for the chat room, but I'll leave it for you guys here in the description. Also, go check it out. You don't have to download it. It will help you calculate your risk, calculate your potential profits, potential loss before it occurs, just so you understand what you're risking, and also it will tell you how much you need, etc., because I know that's a big question for you guys. So I'll leave it in the description, guys. Yeah, I'll see you again for more videos. Follow me on Instagram if you want. Smashy and show your boy some love, and peace and love, just like always.